Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a compost bin, or I'll show you what I made for my compost bin for my aquaponics system and all my plants. Alright, check this out guys. So I use this big tub from Home Depot. This video is not sponsored by the way. It's a really huge one, but you don't need the tub this big. I've got a rock, got some screen. I just put a plastic piece inside just to hold it steady so it doesn't smash, and then I have a 1-inch uniseal and a 1-inch pipe. All I did guys is I just drill the hole, put the seal in, cover this right here, and then I put the brick on top so that it holds it down. The hole's still just right here so that any liquids that come from here will go down and go down to the bucket that I'll have below. I got a big 5-gallon bucket down there. Alright guys, and then inside I have 2 bins right now. So right now I'm going to use some Pro Mix. So I got some Pro Mix, got it from Walmart. It's about 13 bucks over here in Hawaii, and it's a compressed block. It's a compressed block. So these are what it has inside. It's got peat moss, 80 to 90% by volume, some core like coconut stuff, perlite, ground limestone, and I read it's okay to do that for your compost bin or for your worms, wetting agent, and whatever that is guys. Right on. So I just opened this thing. I open up here. This is what it looks like inside guys. But you know, it's a little moist, not too moist, but that's what comes with it. So you can see the texture right here, and I'm just putting this on the bottom of my bin. So since compost worms, they only take up about 3 to 6 inches from the surface, everything else they won't touch in the bottom, so they say. So I'm just going to put this on the bottom, and then like over here I've got some already, and I've got some of my clippings from my aquaponics plants, or this is spinach vines, and some water plants I just put down in here. And then I've got the worms are in here in this black soil. When you move around you can see the worms are in here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to scoop some of this stuff up and I'll place it over here on top of this premium potting mix, and we'll see how they do. And then I'll be adding clippings, coffee grounds, eggshells, things the worms like, cardboard, paper. I want to try to make some worm tea and grow some worms here, and have some good soil too for my plants outside, like my dragon fruit and everything else that's growing. So like that, I'll add some compost to like my dragon fruit plant, and we'll see how they do. I've also got some peppers growing, and we'll see how that does with the compost. I want to show you guys here on the bottom how it looks like on the bottom. Okay, right there I got the 1-inch pipe, and it'll fall right. I'll put a little water and wash it out here. You can take and make some worm tea. You can sell that worm tea, or you can just fertilize your plants. And then I also take the water from my aquaponics, like I have my swirl filter. I'll take some water from my swirl filter over there, and I'll place them in here into the worms, and then flush it down. The worms will eat that also, whatever waste is left in there. So that I'll get some better quality potting soil out of this, or compost out of this guys. Alright, you guys like that? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Anybody new, support me, support the channel, so that you can watch some more of my videos, and hopefully my videos help somebody out. If this helps you out or helps somebody you know out, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, you guys have a good one. And sorry, I wanted to tell you I got this at Walmart if I didn't already. It's Pro Mix premium potting soil. It's about $13. Alright guys, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and that's what it looks like down in there. Thank you.